截至目前为止呢，我们已经收到了超过70家的这个专业买家和进口商前来报名，踊跃的想要去参加我们南博会。我们最终是选定了29家专业买家去参与南博会。这些专业买家呢，有一些呢是这个要去进口中国的这个电子产品的IT 产品的，也有光伏产品的康美产品等等。
I am looking forward to have the new techniques of the installation which I could find there. I would be looking for 3 major products. One would be the PV modules. I would be looking for the good technology products with a good efficiency one, so that my customer could get a good return on investment. Secondly, I would be looking for inverters. Thirdly, then I would be looking for the batteries.
We have to focus on those products like the food items, like our fruit and vegetables. Pakistan is very strong in the fruits and vegetables. We have very good quality of mangoes. We have very good quality of rice. Also, we have some handicrafts. So we are trying to promote more and more product and some value-added products.